Whew. Wow, I haven't filmed on my phone in literally forever. Okay, I think that's good. Hi everyone. Oh.
We're like all like in black.
Hello.
See.
Alright, so today's video is going to be a little bit different. First, I'm with my cousin. I'm actually spending the night and I actually don't have my laptop with me. So we're going to have to improvise and there's a beeping noise in the back, but we're going to ignore that for today. So I wanted to show you guys what I bring in like my overnight bag, like my emergency kit, because I didn't expect to spend the night at her house. It's actually her graduation today. She graduated. Yay! Yay! How do you feel about graduating?
Scared.
Can we get some details?
Oh, you know, college, financial aid packages, classes that I have to pick, and I don't even know if I'm gonna get like, you know, the chance to choose these classes because, you know, other people get priorities.
And that's fine. Thank you so much. Okay, so Alice is just here for moral support. She's my true beloved sister cousin. I feel like I need to get closer because I feel like I'm just so behind. You can scoot up too if you want. Okay, so these are just like makeup items and like care items that I have just stored in my car when spontaneous sleepovers happen. So the first thing I have is like makeup wipe. These are just Neutrogena ones, like the small ones. I don't know how many wipes are in there because I've used quite a bit. There's probably like one wipe left. And then I carry some brushes in here. These are just some Morphe brushes and then some singular brushes as well that are just mini size. So like this mini kabuki. I keep that with me just in case I need a touch up or anything like that. My old ass glasses that have seen better days and that actually broke. So when I first got these my sophomore year of high school, I look like a founding father with them. I hate the way I look at these. I literally hate.
Oh my god, you look different.
I hate these.
They're not bad. I mean, I like it. I like it.
Thank you. So when I first got these, the lady was trying to fix the side so that it fit my face. And then she broke my glasses. And then she was like, oh, don't worry, I'll send it back to the factory. And then when it got back to me, it was never like completely fixed. So that's why like it's so hard to open. It's like it has like a lot of resistance to it.
Just ask for the money back.
I know, right?
Oh my god.
But I was, my parents were like, oh, it's fixed. And I was like, no, it's not.
Asian parents.
It's not fixed. Can't tell me shit.
Get it right.
And then in this bag, this is where I keep all the makeup. It should be a full face in here. I can't.
It's stacked.
Okay, so these are just like a lot of sample sizes that I've accumulated throughout my entire life, just in case shit happens. So I have this small setting spray from Ulta. You guys know where I got that. And then I have my ShopMissA Lotus palette, which doubles up as eyeshadows as well as just your face things. So bronzers and then powders. I like the fact that it has like, you have this, right?
No, the one I have is just highlights.
Oh.
Yeah, it looks the same. I thought it was too.
Oh. But I like it because like it gets pretty dark, so I could use it as eyeshadows. And then I like the translucent powders as well in case something happens to my face. And then I keep an eyeshadow palette in here. This one's by Kiko Milano. This is called Eyeshadow Palette.
Wow. Very unique.
Thank you. What is this? Eyeshadow palette?
Yes.
This is just like simple warm tones. I'm not really a huge fan of it because it's not pigmented.
But you still have it.
But I still have it. For good measure. You never know. I have a concealer wheel that doubles up as foundation as well. I don't know, just all skin tone shades, mix and match, whatever you need. This one's by BH. This one's discontinued, but a concealer wheel.
Oh my god! I was gonna gag. What if I threw up on you? Oh my god.
We have to re-clean the room.
Oh no. We took so long already. Oh no. And your clothes? Your spared clothes not gonna be spared anymore.
Oh,
Do you
yeah.
have spared clothes?
I have my spare clothes here as well. I also have some lashes, just random wispy lashes. I have like 2 pairs in here just in case. And then I have a Duo Lash Glue. She's okay. She used to be my favorite in high school, but we've tried better. Just good to have. Have some things for my teeth, a floss, and a little waterless, what is this, a waterless toothbrush? Yeah.
Wait, so you don't need water?
Well, this is like a candy, like a minty candy.
So you just scrape it on your teeth?
Yeah.
And it'll be fresh and clean.
Well, it'll smell fresh and clean. I don't know if it's gonna...
So your saliva is your water?
Yeah, and you swallow it.
Okay.
Alright. Cool.
Came up with that, but okay. You never know.
Okay, so what else do I have? I have just like eyeliner from Sigma. This is just a spoolie and like a brush. This is a lip liner from ShopMissA Trend. And then I have a Brow Wiz that kind of broke. A mini mascara from MAC. That was a sample. Tweezers. A MAC lipstick, which I don't recommend carrying lipsticks in the car, but this one has held up very well for what it's worth. This one is the shade Fresh Brew, and this one is a sheer lipstick. I don't know why I'm stuttering, but it's a sheer lipstick. And hello. And then powder, face powder in this little container because I don't have any small powders. And then contact eye drops because I drive. I'm about to change that battery in that freaking thing.
In what thing?
What is it? It's a smoke detector?
Where? You have it?
Is it? No, the thing that's beeping? Isn't that the smoke detector? Or am I crazy?
Oh, the thing that's going...
No, the thing that's beeping. It goes ding, ding.
I don't hear it.
Well, that?
What? I don't hear...
Ma'am?
Are you hearing things?
No, I'm not hearing things.
Yes, you are. There's nothing going beep beep.
Alice, I'm not going crazy. I have video evidence.
Go. I mean, we can rewind it.
I'm gonna wait. That?
What? What are you talking about? Wait.
Are you fucking with me?
Wait. No, I'm not. I swear. Wait. Tell me when it goes. Wait.
Are you dead ass?
No, you want to talk to my mom?
Are you dead ass?
I'm dead ass. Are you okay?
Yes, I'm fine. I'm 100% okay.
No.
Dude, this is your house. That?
What? I don't hear anything. Do you guys hear anything? I don't hear anything. Hold up. I don't hear anything. Are you talking about...
No. It literally is like a loud beep.
Beep like that?
Yeah.
No, I don't hear it.
I hate you.
I don't...
How do you not hear that? Ma'am?
I don't hear anything. Maybe you have better hearing? I don't know. No, but I'm sure my mom can't hear. She can't hear. I've never heard it. I don't hear anything. Look, you want me? You're hearing things. She's hearing things.
Oh, I am not. Oh my god.
Wait, I don't hear anything.
We are onto our last bag and that is final.
Okay, watch, we're gonna rewind the tape.
I will rewind it and I will tell you that I'm not crazy.
Okay, just
and,
turn
oh my
on
god, and if I don't hear it,
I'm gonna run out this house.
You don't hear that?
No, what are you doing? You're scaring
No,
me.
you're scaring me.
You're scaring me.
We're sleeping in the same bed tonight. I don't care what you say.
Mom.
We're literally sleeping in the same bed tonight. I'm not playing with this bullshit.
Okay. I don't hear anything.
Literally.
Should I blast music or something? I always feel better that way.
No, it's fine.
Do you hear that?
The moo?
I hear that.
I heard the moo.
Okay, but I don't hear anything else.
Okay, so this bag right here is just like a small bag. This is kind of like my skincare. It's not really anything but makeup is in here. So when I'm ever like out and about, sometimes I want to like remove my makeup.
Oh
I'm
God.
literally not fucking crazy.
Yes, you are.
Oh my
the
God,
first time you were like, I'm sorry, like there's a beep. I was like, what is she talking about? But I mean, I was like, maybe she's talking about the light that's ringing. I don't know.
Okay, I hear the ringing.
Yeah, but there's no beep. You hear when the light comes on, like the electricity, you hear it, like buzzing, right?
I hear it, yeah.
But there's nothing going beep. No. You heard her. She was like, sorry for the beep. And I'm like, does she mean buzz? Are you okay?
Okay, back to the video. I have these things from Sephora. I got these literally just like to try. I have a, what is this? It's not English. No, it is English. Micellar cleansing milk. This is not that great. It does its job, but I use this more as like a cleanser instead of like a micellar water, because as a micellar water, it leaves my face feeling weird and it makes it feel like there's something on it. So that's why I use it as a cleanser. And then they also have a actual cleanser. And this stuff, if you've ever used like anything like a cold cream, like the Pond's cold cream, I don't use it anymore. I used to. But if you ever use anything like that, you have to use this on a dry face and then wash it off. If you do it on a wet face, it doesn't really work and it doesn't take it off. And I think that's because it might be water-based. I don't know. The first thing is glycerin and then castor seed oil and then water and then coconut oil. Oh, I think it's oil-based. Never mind. Just kidding. I'm just dumb. Anyway, these both, like, they're not that great. I just have it in here just to have it in emergencies. And then I also have my hydrogen peroxide contact case, because I do have hydrogen peroxide solution in my car, but I'm actually just going to use her solution for her contacts today because, yeah. And then I also have just a face cream just to have it. This is by Korres, and this is their Black Pine cream. Yeah. And so that's pretty much it. That's like literally all I bring. And that's it. I'm literally boring, but
No, you're not. There's no beeping
are you
sound.
fucking kidding me? I hear the beep. I literally hear the beep, and I hope you're not messing with me.
I'm not. Wait, I don't
Literally?
hear anything. Wait, what beep?
Okay, wait. Okay, so then when you were listening to like that whole Laurel and Yanni thing, you know how like they had remember that? The Laurel Yanni situation? What did you hear?
I forgot. Can you like put it on?
No, where's your phone? Because my phone's here.
I'll go get it.
We need to figure this out,
my God.
ma'am. We have to figure this out. There's something wrong. I'm moving my phone because the iPad's here.
I think the second one, huh? Or the first one?
Is it? Well, this one explains like.
Do you hear Yanny? Laurel. Or Laurel? Laurel. A recent Twitter poll found that
Laurel.
I heard Laurel.
Okay. so what?
What's happening?
What? Is this the correct one?
Is it? Okay, well, let's. We're
gonna try another one. Another one.
Wait, we have the full volume. Full volume for this one.
Oh, this is the ads. Okay. Laurel.
I hear Laurel.
What the fuck is Yanni then? How did people hear Yanni?
How do you not hear the beep?
But there's no beep! There's no beep, Jazzy! There's no beep! What are you hearing?
We need to pray tonight. We both have to pray.
I know, but I mean, I sleep over there. I don't hear anything. We could put music on, so we could sleep. So you can hear nothing. I put the music so it goes over the beep. Whatever.
The beep is so high pitched. Do you not hear anything high pitched? We need to take a test.
I don't hear anything.
I need to figure this out. Is it like a frequency thing? Like, are you not hearing the high pitched frequencies?
You're saying that it's the fire alarm?
Yeah, it's like a really high pitch.
How
It's like
does
a
it sound? Can you replicate it?
Is there a video?
Yeah.
Is there a video on YouTube?
Maybe. I mean, I've had it go up, but it's not going up. Is that what you're hearing?
Okay, maybe not consecutively, but like one time per like 30 seconds or like 1 minute.
So it goes beep.
Yeah.
I don't hear it. Well, I've heard that.
You heard that?
Yeah.
That's literally what I've been hearing this whole time.
But that's the only thing that's just once. It's never, when you said, I don't know what that beep is. This is once. This is the first time it's happened ever since we recorded though.
No, it's literally been a fucking
No, if you rewind it, there's literally none. This is the first time I've heard it. Oh.
That's what I've been hearing this entire time, dude. I'm gonna...
Hold up. Wait. Do you hear it anymore? Oh.
And
Literally, it like rings like every like 30 seconds to like a minute.
No, swear. If we rewind this and this is it that?
I swear to God.
How long have I lived in this house? And I have never paid attention to it. The last time when you told me that it went off, I didn't hear it.
All the time, like this whole duration of this.
Is that really what you've
That's
been hearing?
that's all I've been hearing.
That.
That's all I've
But
been hearing.
it hasn't been happening before when we were talking before and you were talking.
It happened like when I was doing your makeup today, this morning.
Really?
Yes.
No, we gotta rewind. When
Okay,
you said the
okay.
word beep, like I don't know what that beeping is. Like when you said that, I want to listen to it.
Okay. We'll end the video here.
Oh my god.
We will literally end the video here.
Okay, I guess.
I'm not crazy.
Okay, you're not crazy. I'm probably like
I'm
just
I'm
very
not
like
the
I just
crazy one. I'm literally.
What? No, I never haven't even. Oh my god, I didn't hear it. I never noticed it. But it didn't happen. No, you gotta rewind.
Okay,
this.
fine, I will. Okay. So we're gonna end the video here. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you got entertained from this whole ordeal because
I
it was crazy.
I didn't hear it. And not until now. What? Oh my god.
Okay, I'll see you guys later. Bye.